all the life, you have cleaned your oven badly. This trick is incredible. In a home there are few things as tedious and heavy as cleaning the oven. Since we use it often and thoroughly, it easily accumulates dirt and layers. But now I have found this method to clean the oven so easily and quickly that it almost seems to be cleaned alone. Natural products are an excellent cleaning alternative, as well as being very effective in removing grease and dirt. They are also friendly to the environment as they are not contaminants. After months of roasting and baking, the oven tends to become very dirty. Fat and charred food accumulate and turns into charcoal, causing a strong smell to burn when cooking. If you let your oven be coated with charcoal, it can eventually contaminate your food and even become a fire hazard. Read on for instructions on how to clean the oven, whether it has a self-cleaning function or not. But with this trick you do not need to use chemicals or detergents. We do it in 2 steps, first cleaning the oven itself and then the glass window. You need water, a spray bottle, baking powder, a rag or sponge for dishes, vinegar, a small bowl. Instructions. Oven. 1. Remove the grill and brackets from the inside of the oven. 2. Prepare the bowl. Mix a few tablespoons of yeast with a little water. The purpose is to get a paste or dough that can be spread easily on the surfaces to be cleaned. 3. Spread the paste throughout the oven interior. The yeast will turn brown when it is spread. The most important thing is not to get a regular coat, but to cover all surfaces. 4. Let the paste work overnight. It takes at least 12 hours for the yeast to have a good effect. 5. The next day, with a damp cloth, clean as much yeast as possible. 6. Pour a little vinegar into the spray bottle and spray on all remaining yeast leftovers. When the vinegar reacts with the yeast, a lather forms. 7. Dry with a damp cloth. 8. Insert grill and brackets. 9. Turn on the oven at low temperature for 15-20 minutes to dry. Window. 1. Combine the yeast powder with water to form a thick paste or dough. 2. Use the paste on the glass. 3. Let the paste take effect for about half an hour. 4. Grasp a cloth or sponge to easily remove dirt.